Shane, what are you doing?
Well, I've just obviously cleaned all the fans and that out in this because it was getting a bit dirty. So I'm just plugging everything back in now. So yeah, should all be good, ready to go again in a minute.
Oh, I'm glad that was only a bottle of Mr. Sheen. So yeah, it's all been cleaned out. Obviously, you'll see it better when it's all been turned back on again.
There you go. Yep, lovely. And actually.
How dirty was it?
Really bad.
It was bad.
Yeah, it was really bad.
Really bad. We've had this off, the front glass. We've had the side glass off. We've had the back panel off it. It's basically been down to the bone, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Complete strip.
Yeah, it really was bad, really bad.
Is that good to power?
No, not yet. Not yet. I've just got to plug a few more bits and bobs back in, of course.
Oh, he's done the old, I've dropped the USB cable. Now he's going to do the reach around the desk trying to get it again.
I'm absolutely knackered, guys.
So he's using these ports here to plug it back in. That looks like his keyboard. It's plugging back in there.
Yes, it looks like.
If I remember rightly, you have to go in one of the end ports.
Yeah, at the moment, I'm just trying to find out where it...
So, I'll tell you what, I will help Shane, and we'll come back to this video in just a second. I'll see if I can help him. Be back in a sec. So, we've got it all plugged back in. Shane's just putting little bits back on. Shane, do you want to power it on?
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds, because I've just got to put the... microphone socket back in, which is, I do believe, where is the thing? I know I've got to get himself. I've got to get right to the back. Ah, okay. There's that one, which is the HDMI. Ah, right, okay. Ah, and there's that one which is right there as well. So, yes, okay. So, yes.
You can tell that's the audio for his speakers.
And that goes into the green.
Oh.
Awful, terrible sound.
So all I've done there is just tap that to turn it off, so it won't do that.
Yeah.
And just HDMI then. Do you want to pass it up and I'll see if I can grab it?
Yeah.
There he is. Got it.
Okay.
You just need to come up and over.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then that one.
I'm going to plug that into his graphics card.
Which now will go
down.
Which will now go through. Left hand side, isn't it?
No, I think it's the right is HDMI. I think.
No, it's... hang on. Oh, yeah.
That's it.
That's the one.
And left is HDMI.
And then the last one is that one.
This this up. Got it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Got it.
Yep.
Flat side up.
Like that, yeah.
Got HDMI, yeah. What is it? Is that me being me?
No.
There you go. You were
lovely.
right.
There you go.
Right, now he'll power it on.
All being well, it won't blow, but there you go.
Let's see.
And oh. There you go.
Monitors. There's one.
And there should be two.
There's Windows. Don't worry, that webcam will get fixed. It shouldn't be like that.
Nope.
So there you go. That's him. Oh, pin is incorrect. Interesting. Oh, is it doing this? No?
Yeah.
There you go. And he's good to go again. So that's the computer cleaned. All the fans cleaned out. All the inside. The graphics card. The back. And the front. The glass just needs one final hit with the polish. Which Shane's going to do now. Just because we had to pick up the computer, so get rid of any fingerprints. There we go. If you can guess the brand of polish that he's using, put it in the comments.
I think they already know that, don't they?
There's no hints as to what brand it is.
Mr. Sheen.
Okay.
Brilliant, man.
It's always a good one if you want to clean your case with. Mr. Sheen's a good one.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Does the glass and everything else. Just don't spray it in there.
No, don't ever spray it in there.
You will French fry your computer.
Big time, and you'll probably end up killing yourself in the process. Not a good idea.
So there's that. I'll let Shane finish off. And then we'll have a chat. Maybe outside, Shane?
Yeah?
About what we did today at the allotment.
Yeah?
Seeing as this is now the third time of recording this video.
It is, yeah?
Third attempt. The first one, what happened to the first recording?
Oh, it went a bit pear-shaped.
It went, yeah, didn't go the best.
No.
Second one, for some reason it didn't record properly.
No, it didn't.
And the file got corrupted, so I wasn't able to use it. So we'll see what happens with this one.
Yep.
But instead of going to the fish tank, I think I'm going to go to these fishes. So
Yeah.
we will both join you very back.
Yeah,
very
we
back.
will do.
We'll join you back very shortly while Shane just finishes his routine at nearly 2 o'clock in the morning.
I have really bad trouble sleeping.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Mum and Dad, if you're watching, I think you're going to have words with him, you know.
I'm telling you.
It's
It ain't
not
good.
Cleaning the computer at 2 o'clock.
But you know what?
It's all worth it. It's been quite a busy day today, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. It's been very busy.
So I'll let Shane finish his polishing up and finishing off his computer, and we'll have a chat with you maybe outside about what we did.
Yeah,
The allotment today.